Welcome back, guys. Thank you, all of you, for your love and support. Today, we will see a beautiful recovery of my adopted stray dog after maggot wound. His name is Brownie. Few months ago, he got into a dog fight and he got badly injured, and after that, that wound converted into maggot wound. I have already removed the maggot from the wound with the help of deltamethrin solution. Now I am going to clean the wound with the LM solution. Alum solution helps to kill the infection inside the wound and also helps to get rid of the dirt particles so that the wound can recover fastly. Right now I am using this Godback powder. It helps to kill the maggots and make them to come out of the wound fastly. I have already removed the maggots from that wound, but for the surety I am still filling the wound with this powder. The second most important step to recover the maggot wound fastly is to cover that wound with cotton balls. Later on, I will tell you why we need to cover that wound with cotton balls. So please don't skip this video. This is antibiotic Septron tablet. I will give this to my dog. It helps to heal the wound faster, very fast. Right now, I am crushing this tablet to make it in a powder form so that my dog can eat it easily. A good diet is mandatory for all the dogs to recover them fastly. Right now, he is 8 years old and he is very obedient and sincere dog. Today is day 3. Now let's go to see how much he has recovered within 3 days. Always remember one thing, treatment given at the early stages saves your time, money, and your pet's life. Today, the wound is looking much cleaner than the day one. I will suggest and recommend you all to always wear gloves while treating your dogs. The maggot wound will have pus discharge. You have to clean it completely. After cleaning the wound nicely, you have to apply the Godback powder again. Remember one thing, we have to give Septron tablet alternatively. This medicine is very affordable. You can get it very easily in the Indian market. It's just approx of 10 to 15 rupees. Guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It's been a week. Now let's see how much he has recovered. Today he is looking little bit calm and happy. Listen carefully, guys. The maggot wound always have rotten smell around the wound, but today the bad smell is somewhere gone. It means he is recovering faster. Guys, remember the smell around the wound will tell you is he recovering or not. If the rotten smells are still coming, it means the wound is not recovering. 8 days has passed. Now let's go to see his recovery. As you can see on the day 9, the maggot hole got smaller in size, which is a good sign of healing. Now we have to clean the wound like earlier we did. As you can see, he is recovering faster. So I will be giving him half tablet of Septron alternatively. Earlier, I have tried several times to give that pill him directly, but he always spits it out. Guys, don't forget to cover that wound with cotton ball because it is the most important step. I want to suggest you one thing. For better treatment and healing, please shave the area around the wound. As you can see on day 11, the maggot hole got much smaller as compared to day 11. I was repeating all the methods and procedure, and you can see on day 13 the hole got much smaller. Now I will tell you why it is very important or mandatory to cover that wound with cotton ball. Maggots are the babies of houseflies and other flies. They feed on dog wound to get adult. As you know all, the houseflies get attracted towards pus discharges, infection and wounds. So whenever they get the smell of pus or wound, they get attracted and they sit on that wound and lay their eggs in that wound, and after that that eggs converted into larva, or you can call it maggots. And after that, these maggots eat your dog alive under the skin. They mainly feed on dead skins and tissues. So, if you cover that wound with the cotton balls, the flies will be unable to lay their eggs inside the wound and there will be no maggots. It's been 3 weeks. Now let's go to see his recovery, how much he has been recovered. As you can see on day 21, he has been fully recovered. The maggot wound has been gone and the hole got covered with the new skin and hair started growing off. The total cost of his treatment was rupees 150, 110 rupees for Godback powder, 15 rupees for Saptran tablet and 10 rupees for the cotton ball.